So here, so we did these. Punasmaranam, we did the Parasmaipati, Atmanipati, Ubhayapati Dhatus we saw, and then the Latlakara, Vartamana Kala. Okay, so Deepti Bhagini, can you say for Pat Dhatu, Latlakara, Vartamana Kala, Langlakara,
Yes.
Litlakara,
Yes.
Lotlakara?
Yes, Bhagini. Let alone. Pat dhatu. Yes. Pat dhatu, lat lakara. पठति पठतः पठन्ति पठसि पठतः पठतः पठामि पठावः पठामः पठ धातु लङ् लकार अपठत् अपठताम् अपठन् अपठः अपठतम् अपठत अपठम् अपठाव अपठाम पठ धातु ल्युट् लकार पठिष्यति पठिष्यतः पठिष्यन्ति पठिष्यसि पठिष्यथः पठिष्यथ पठिष्यामि पठिष्यावः पठिष्यामः लोट् लकार पठ धातु पठतु पठतां पठन्तु पठ पठतं पठत पठानि पठाव पठाम.
Samyak. Usha Bhagini, you can say with some other dhatu.
Dhatu.
Any dhatu you choose. Gum is there, khad, any dhatu, any Parasmaipati dhatu you choose and you say.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Madam, can I see and tell me?
Yeah, it is there. It is there on the screen itself, so you can see and say, no problem. Gam dhatu you say gachati, gachatah, gachanti. You can say that.
Gachati. Gridati.
Say kridati. No problem. Kridati.
Gridati. Gridatah. Gridandi. Gridasi. Gridatah. Gridata. Gridami. Gridavah. Gridamah. Vartamana kale. Bhavishya kalate. Gridashyati. Gridashyatah. Gridashanti.
Kridishyasi.
Gridashyasi. Gridashyatah. Gridashyatha.
Kridishyatha.
Gridashyatha. Gridishyami. Gridishyavah. Gridishyamah. Then lat lakaraka.
Lang lakaraha.
This one is difficult for me. Agridat, agridatham, agridan. Agridaha, agridatham, agridatha. Agridam, agridava, agridama.
Samyak.
Then lot.
Kridatu.
Lot means the prerana. That is
Prerana.
ma'am.
Prerana.
Gridatu, gridatam, gridatu, gridatat, gridatam.
Kridantu.
Gridantu.
Kridatu, kridatam, kridantu.
Grida, gridatam, gridatha. Gridani, gridava, gridama.
Samyak. Anantaram Vand dhatu vadatu.
Vand. Vandade, that is sama.
Vandate, vandete.
Okay. Vandate, vandete, vandante. Vandase, vandethe, vandatve. Vande, vandavahe, vandamahe.
Samyak.
Then bhavishyati.
Vandishyate.
Vandishyate. Vandishyete. Vandishyante. Vandishyase. Vandishyethe. Vandishyatve. Vandishye. Vandishyavahe. Vandishyamahe.
Samyak. Lang lakara.
Lang.
Avandata.
Avantada. Avandetam. Avandanta. Avandadhaha. Avandetam. Avandatvam. Avande. Avandavahi. Vandamahi.
Avandavahi. Avandamahi.
अवन्दावहि अवन्दामहि
Note.
ओके लोट् अवन्दता
न भवति तत्
वन्दतां वन्दतां वन्देतां वन्दन्ताम् अवन्दस्व
न भवति
ओके सारी मा वन्दस्व वन्देतां वन्दत्वं वन्दै वन्दावहि वन्दामहि
सम्यक् दीप्ति भगिनी अन्य किमपि धातु स्वीकृत्य वदतु
ओके भगिनी सह धातु सह सहते सहेते सहन्ते सहसे सहेथे सहद्वे सहे सहावहे सहामहे दिस इज वन लॉट लकार सह धातु लंग लकार असहत असहेताम असहंत असहथाः असहेथाम असहध्वम असहै असहावहि असहामहि
correct
then comes lud lakar सहिष्यते सहिष्येते सहिष्यन्ते सहिष्यसे सहिष्येथे सहिष्यध्वे सहिष्ये सहिष्यावहे सहिष्यामहे then comes lot lakara sah dhatu sahatam sahetam sahantam sahaswa sahetham sahadhvam sahe sahavahe sahamahe
बहु सम्यक् then we had started with the vibhakti, right? So we had learned what is prathama vibhakti. Prathama vibhakti is nothing but the karta, the one who is doing the work. That is the karta, he is the subject, so that becomes in the prathama vibhakti. Balakah pathati, pathati kriya padam bhavati. Kah karoti kah pathati, balakah pathati. So who is doing the kriya, pathana kriya, so that is the balakah. So balakah becomes the prathama vibhakti. Okay, dvitiya vibhakti. Balakah patham pathati, balakah pathati. Balakah kam pathati, balakah patham pathati. So what is the boy studying, what is the boy reading? Patham. So he is reading the patham. So that is the object which is called as the karma padam. So the karma padam will always take the dvitiya vibhakti. So whenever you have the answer for the questions of kim, kam or kam, then obviously that particular word will be coming in the dvitiya vibhakti. Okay, then tritiya. Balakah kandukena kridati. When I am using an instrument, okay, I am doing something with something, then it is tritiya. It takes the tritiya vibhakti. The boy plays with the ball. So with the ball, okay, he is playing. The boy is playing. Balakah kridati. Kridati iti kriya padam bhavati. Kah kridati, balakah kridati. Balakah kena kridati, with what is he playing? Kandukena kridati. So that is tritiya. Chaturthi, for or giving. Okay, for something, I am doing it for something. Okay, or when there is something, a dana kriya, then also you have the chaturthi vibhakti. So balakah mitraya pustakam dadati. So dadati is the kriya padam. Kah dadati, balakah dadati. Balakah prathama vibhakti. Kim dadati, balakah pustakam dadati. So pustakam is the karma padam which takes the dvitiya vibhakti. Balakah kasmai dadati, to whom is he giving? He is giving it to his friend. Mitraya dadati, he is giving it to his friend. So balakah mitraya pustakam. To whomever you are giving, the person who is receiving it is going to take the chaturthi vibhakti. Okay. Panchami vibhakti, from or separation, all these things comes under the panchami vibhakti. So balakah ramat pustakam svikaroti. Svikaroti kriyapadam, kah svikaroti, balakah svikaroti. Kim svikaroti? Pustakam svikaroti. Kasmat svikaroti? From whom is he taking? Ramat, from Rama. Ramat means from Rama. So balakah, the boy, is taking the book from Rama. So balakah ramat pustakam svikaroti. Shashti vibhakti madhye some kind of a possession, isn't it? A possessiveness is there of something. All these things comes under the Shashti vibhakti. This is the general. We will come into the details of wherever Dvitiya, Prathama, all these, wherever the vibhaktis are coming. Dasharathasya putra Rama. Rama is Dasharatha's son, isn't it? That is how we say Dasharatha's. So Dasharathasya putra Rama. Saptami vibhakti is in, on, at, all these things come. Okay. So balakah kridangane kridati. So where is he playing? In the playground. So balakah kridangane kridati. Okay. Next, we saw this also, Dvitiya vibhakti. Where do we see the Dvitiya vibhakti? So as we saw, Dvitiya vibhakti is nothing but the karma padam, isn't it? So where do we use the karma padam? So where you have, it is an object, isn't it? Aham pustakam pathami. So I am reading. What am I reading? I am reading the book. Okay. So like that. And then in what other ways can we have this? So adhitishtati, adhivasati, all these things come under the Dvitiya vibhakti. Okay. So adhivasati, Parvati Himalayam adhivasati. Okay. Or we can say Lakshmihi Rama Vaikuntham adhivasati. She is staying there, she is living there. Adhitishtati, abhitaha, paritaha, ubhayataha, on both the sides. Okay. Margam ubhayataha vrikshaha santi. So on both the sides of the road you have the trees. Okay. Vina, Dvitiya vibhakti and Tritiya vibhakti. It accepts both. Okay. When Vina comes, usually these two, Dvitiya or Tritiya will come. Next you have the Tritiya vibhakti. Tritiya vibhakti, as we saw, it is the instrument or with. Okay. There, when you have these words like saha, sardham, sakam, it means with somebody. Pita putrena saha gacchati. So the father went with the boy. Okay. So with the boy. So here, but here we saw vriddhaha. Where was that? In the previous slide. Here we saw balakah kandukena kridati. Here we did not say balakah kandukena saha kridati. We didn't say that, right? What we are saying, but we are saying here is pita putrena saha gacchati. Okay? You understand the meaning? Can anybody say what is the difference? Why did I use a saha here, whereas I did not use a saha over there?
Yeah, saha is included in that kena, balakena, no, what is it? Kandukena. Kandukena means with kanduka only.
This so is also that only, no? Putrena, with putra, only no. But when
but
you
that
say,
was
this
maybe
is
person.
Correct, exactly. Yeah. So when you are going with some person, so when you use it for persons usually, not with things. Okay, so saha, sadham, sakam, all these things. Then here also you have the vina. Vina also, vina means vihaya, without something. Okay, then where there is a karanam bhavati, if you say instrument, or in an adverbial form, there also you use the tritiya vibhakti. This much is clear?
Yes, very clear, ma'am. Very clear.
Okay, so here, say for example, that is okay. Saha, which as I said, it is along with. See, you're going along with somebody. Okay, obviously, when I say ball, you cannot say along with the ball. Correct? So you say along with somebody. I'm going along with somebody. I'm going along with my father. I'm going along with my son. You can say that, but you will not say I'm going along with my ball. Correct? So that is why we are not using the word saha. Clear? Similarly, if something is made out of something, okay, like mala pushpaihi bhavati. Mala pushpaihi bhavati. That is the mala is made with the flowers. So there also again pushpaihi. Pushpaihi is bahuvachana, isn't it? Pushpaihi bhavati. So there are many flowers in a garland, right? So like that. Similarly,
Ma'am, I couldn't understand this, ma'am. Sorry, I couldn't understand this. Mala puspeihi bhavati. So this is
mala,
puspeihi is a tritiya
garland is
vibhakti.
garland is made with flowers.
Okay. You are explaining same saha only.
Not saha.
Okay.
Okay. Made
Yeah,
with.
meaning. Okay.
Made with. When something is made with something.
Okay, got it.
Then you use this. Similarly, if you have an adverbial thing, like balakah vegena dhavati. So he is really moving fast. Katham dhavati, vegena dhavati. Okay, that also comes under the tritiya vibhakti. Purushah santoshena vasati. So it means they are very happily living there. So how are they living? Happily living. So that adverb kind of thing. For that also we use the tritiya vibhakti. Okay. And then the very famous thing is Meenaha jalena vina na jivanti. Okay. So that is in tritiya vibhakti. Again, vina comes with the tritiya vibhakti. So this much is clear?
Ma'am, and what is the meaning of sakam, may I know, please?
Same
Sakam.
thing only. Saha, sakam, sardham all mean the same thing. Along with only. Everything means the same only. So that is what. And then in this, what else is there? Okay. Tritiya vibhakti I think should be clear enough. We'll move on to the Chaturthi vibhakti. In Chaturthi vibhakti, dana kriya, as we saw, dadati, yachati, all these things comes under the dana kriya. So for that also, always the person who is receiving the danam will always be in the Chaturthi vibhakti. Correct? So always the person who is receiving will be in the Chaturthi vibhakti. So like we said, dhanikaha, nirdhanaya dhanam dadati. So he is giving it to the poor. So that is also the giving, yachati. All these things always comes under the Chaturthi vibhakti. Then you have these for some reason you are going somewhere or you are doing something for some reason, that also takes the Chaturthi vibhakti. Say for example, aham pathanartham vidyalayam gacchami. It means I am going to the school For what am I going to the school? Pathanartham. So to study. Kimartham gacchati? Pathanartham gacchati. Gacchami. So I am going to study. So I am going somewhere to do something. So like that. Or so where there is some kind of a reason for doing something, then also you have this Chaturthi Vibhakti. Then the very famous one, that is Kupyati. Okay, Kupyati, Asuyati, Druhyati, all these things, negative emotions, these also come under the Chaturthi Vibhakti. Okay. Say for example, we can say Duryodhanaha Bhimaya Kupyati. So the one who is at the receiving end will always be in Chaturthi Vibhakti. So Duryodhana is angry. He is angry on whom? On Bhima. So on Bhima. So that Bhima will take the Chaturthi Vibhakti. Okay. So like that. Then the most important again, very Rochate. Rochate. Whenever the word Rochate comes, again it takes the Chaturthi Vibhakti. What can I say? Aham madhuram aham tuna bhavati. Aham mahyam madhuram rochate. So I like madhuram, that is sweet. I like sweet. So mahyam is the Chaturthi Vibhakti. So like that. Okay, whenever rochate comes, the person who is liking it is going to take the Chaturthi Vibhakti. Then similarly you have this Namaha, Swasti, all these things. Shivaya Namaha. Then Ganeshaya Namaha. Like that we say. Lakshmiyai Namaha. Put Chaturthi Vibhakti for the Strilingam also. Ramayai Namaha. Like that we say. No? So Namaha. Swasti also. Okay, all these things takes the Chaturthi Vibhakti form. Okay, this much clear? Go to the next.
Clear, clear.
Panchami is separation. When there is some separation which is happening. Like Vrikshat Phalam Patati. Okay. So from the Vriksha, from the tree, there is a separation of the fruit. So that is why that separation, it shows that is Panchami Vibhakti. Okay. Then obviously Bhitihi, Bhayaha, all these things will take the Panchami Vibhakti. So Bhitihi means you're angry. You're in fear. Sorry. So anything which with regard to fear. So that will also come under the Panchami Vibhakti. Okay. So from what you are afraid of, that will take the Panchami Vibhakti. Say for example, Mushakaha Bidalat Bibheti. Okay. So Mushakaha, that is the mouse, is afraid of what? Of the cat. So Mushakaha Bidalat Bibheti. Okay, so that will take the Panchami Vibhakti like that. Harinaha Simhat Bibheti. So Harinaha is afraid of Simha. So of the lion. So that lion will take the Panchami Vibhakti. Okay. Similarly, you have this Purvaha, Paraha, Bahihi, Arabhya, all these things will take the Panchami Vibhakti. Okay. So say for Bahihi we can say Mama Grihat Bahihi Ekaha Shunakaha Tishtati. Okay, something outside my house there is something. So Grihat Bahihi. So outside my house. So Grihat. Okay. Then you have this Purvaha Paraha. So usually we say this example that in Ramaha Lakshmanat Purvaha. Okay. Bharataha Shatrughnat Purvah, he is before. Purvah means the one elder. Okay. Then after also you can say the same thing. Lakshmanah Ramat Parah. So for that also you can use. So all these things will take the Panchami Vibhakti. Arabhya. Say for example, Arabhya, from this time to this time. Okay. For our class. Asmakam Vargah एकादशवादनात् आरभ्य द्वादशवादनपर्यन्तं भवति. So that is arabhya. So like that. Then Shashti, as you know, possession we have already seen. Dasharathasya putraha Ramaha, all these things we have seen. Among these means usually when you have a group of people and you select one of them among them, then you have the Shashti Vibhakti. Okay. Say for example, Pandavas. This is a very general example we always give. Pandavas are there. So amongst the Pandavas, Yudhishthira is the eldest. So we can always say Pandavanam Yudhishthiraha Jeshthaha. Okay. So among the Pandavas, Yudhishthira is the eldest. Pandavanam Bhimaha, he is the Balavan. So like that. So among the Pandavas, Bhima is the most Balavan. So that is why. So all those things will come under the Shashti Vibhakti. Similarly, again Purataha, Upari, Adhaha, Antaha, all these things will come under the Shashti Vibhakti only. Then you have the Saptami Vibhakti. Eka nimisham. सप्तमी विभक्ति मध्ये समयसूचकः. So when, kada bhavati, all these things will come under the saptami vibhakti. Where, putra, okay, kridangane kridati, where was he playing? In the kridangana. So kridangane kridati. Then for whom, okay, this liking, devotion, respect, all these things will take the saptami vibhakti. Okay, all these things you would have already seen. We will see some examples also. Probably you will come to know. Okay, one abhyasa we'll do on vibhakti. Okay, so one by one all of you can answer. Very simple. Dhanikah dash dhanam yachhatu. Nirdhana is given in the bracket. You have to use this. Now you will say which vibhakti you are going to use. Okay, and what is the form of that vibhakti? Why? Okay.
Chaturthi, na yachhantu is giving.
Very good. Very good. So what will it come?
So nirdhanaya. Dhanikah nirdhanaya.
Nirdhanaya va nirdhanebhyah. Okay. So the poor people. Okay. It's okay. Whatever. Nirdhanaya or nirdhanebhyah. Anything is okay. Next. Bhimaha dash tadayati. Gada is given. Shamala Bhagini vadatu.
Tritiya vibhakti. Gadena.
Gada iti strilinga padam bhavati. So how will it come? Gada is strilinga padam. So how will it come? Rama shabdam katha bhavati. Rama.
Lataya.
Lata is
Daya.
Lataya. Lataya. Similarly, Gadaya. So Bhimaha Gadaya Tadayati. So Bhimaha hits with the Gada. Now Kupi. Jalam dash antah asti.
Saptamiya.
कूप्या जलं कूप्याम् अन्तः अस्ति
जलं कूप्याः अन्तः अस्ति.
This is for
why? Because it is
okay, Sasti.
Sasti. Antah when it comes,
you taught.
Antah when it comes, it will be Sasti. So jalam kūpyah. Okay, so kūpyah antah asti. Next, sa dash nipuna. वदतु उषा भगिनी. Pakakaryam is given. Nipuna, it means it shows your
devotion.
Nipuna means you are very much well versed with it.
Okay.
Saptami. I don't know. Not able to guess.
Pakakaryena nipuna.
No.
It will be Saptami Vibhakti. Pakakarye nipuna. So whenever nipuna or anything of that kind of, those what do you say, those emotions when you say, okay, yes, that always come in Saptami. So sa pakakarye nipuna.
Pakakarye.
Okay, next. Vanaraha dash nipatitavantaha.
Panchami.
Vrikshat. Nipatitavantaha ityukte coming down. Okay, so they came down from the tree. So when from comes, what will come? Panchami only. There is a separation, isn't it? It is coming from. So vanaraha vrikshat nipatitavantaha. Next, mata dash ahvayati. Here what is given in the bracket? Putryaha. Putryaha is what? Is bahuvachana. Correct? It is bahuvachana. For what? Bahuvachanam of what?
Putra only. Putra.
For what? Shamala Bhagini, can you say? For what? Putryaha. Putryaha itself is the bahuvachana form. So what is the ekavachana form?
Putraha.
No. Putri.
Oh,
Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha. Putri, Putryo, Putryaha. Okay. So now you tell me what will come in the blank space. Mata dash ahvayati.
Putrim.
Putrim katham bhavati?
Ditya.
So what will it be? So what will it? Nadi shabdam katham bhavati?
Nadi nadyo nadyah. Nadim nadyo nadihi.
What did you say?
Nadim nadi nadyo nadi, right? Nadi nadyo nadyah.
Nadim nadyau
Nadiyaha.
Oh, it is plural.
Nadim nadyau
Nadihi.
Nadihi. So here what will it come?
Oh, putrihi.
Putrihi.
Okay.
Mata putrihi ahvayati. Okay. Ravanaha dash krudhyati. So krudhyati itself gives you a hint. What will come?
Krodha is Panchami, I think.
I told you all negative emotions. What will it come?
Chakra, Chaturthi. Krodha, Kupyati and all Chaturthi it is. So Chaturthi means Ramaya.
Correct. Ravanaha Ramaya Krudhyati. Is it clear to you all, Usha Bhagini, Shamla Bhagini? Not hearing
Yes,
you.
ji.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Gutyadi means what is the meaning, ma'am?
Krudhyati, Kupyati. He's angry.
What, ma'am?
Angry.
Angry. Okay. Gutyadi. Gutyadi angry. Okay.
वृद्धः dash vina na chalati.
Both are okay, na? Ditya and Tritiya?
Here you have to think.
Oh. So, instrument.
Vina
Instrument
na
is
chalati.
Tritiya. Yeah, instrument you can put.
Very good. Instrument. So what will it come?
So, Dandena Vina?
Dandena vina. So, vruddhaha dandena vina na chalati. Here dvitiya will not come. Dandam vina na chalati iti na bhavati. Dandena vina, because there is an instrument over here. Okay. So like I told you yesterday, no? Ramam vina Sita na gachati. So there, without Rama, there is no instrument. It is not used in the sense of an instrument over there. Then we use the second vibhakti. But here, this is an instrument. We need it. Okay. So vruddhaha dandena vina na chalati. Okay. Yuyam dash na pathatha. Alasyam is given.
Negative. You told for negative. Negative is something. Chaturthi. Alasyaya. Alasyena. Oh, Tritiya.
Why? What did I tell you?
Karanama. Is that Karana?
Exactly.
Oh.
Okay. So that is why it is Tritiya. Okay, there is a reason for not doing. So alasyena na patati. He is doing it because of the laziness. So that is why we say alasyena. Mushakasya dash bhitihi bhavati. Bhitihi. Very clear. What should you use?
Clear. This is Panchami. And Vidala is there means Vidala. What will happen? Rama.
What will it come?
Vidalat.
Samyak. Vidalat bhitihi na bhavati. Is the vibhakti part a little bit clear to you all? To all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Everybody? Ushaji? Shamlaji?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, may I copy it, ma'am? This one.
Yeah, I will send the recording, ma. No problem. You can use it.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
You can use the recording. I will also send the these PPTs also. I will send. You can use it.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So next we will go. Okay. Okay. This is again the one more topic that you have learnt is the pratyayaha, isn't it? Pratyayaha, you have learned the swa pratyayam, then pratyayaha, then lyap, and then tumun. We have learnt all these things, isn't it? So in swa means what? There will be two kriya padams will be there. Okay, and one karta will be there. That karta will finish one work and then do the next one. That time we will use the swa pratyaya. Okay. So these swa pratyayas are usually avyaya padas only. Okay, these are all avyaya padam. What do you mean by an avyaya padam?
It's something doesn't change with linga and purusha.
Very good. Tell. Nama? Sorry, I didn't hear.
Ling and vachan.
It will not change with any of it, right? So you can always use it with the same. The twa will always, if I say krutva will always remain the same, be it any linga, vachana or vibhakti. It will not change. Okay, it will always remain the same. So that is what is this. So in some of the dhatu we use the itva, and then in some you use the tva, isn't it? Then for this, if you say balakah pustakam pathitva kridati, so the boy first reads a book. Once he finishes reading, he goes on to play. So we are saying balakah प्रथम क्रिया भवति पठनक्रिया समाप्य एव सः क्रीडति, अतः बालकः पुस्तकं पठित्वा क्रीडति इति भवति। अस्तु, समानमेव ल्यप् प्रत्ययः, ल्यप् and tva are both same. Okay, the only difference comes when you have a upasargah. So when there is a upasargah, then you have to use the lyap, you cannot use the tva pratyaya. Okay, that is the only difference, otherwise it is both are same. Okay, so similarly here you see balakah griham agatya pathati. Here we don't say agatva, isn't it? We say agatya pathati. A iti eka upasargah bhavati atra, अतः आगत्य इति भवति। अनन्तरं तुमुन् प्रत्ययः। इन तुमुन् प्रत्यय अपि क्रियाद्वयं भवति। There are two kriyas. Okay, so it is like what? अहं पाठं पठितुं विद्यालयं गच्छामि। पठनकार्यमपि अस्ति, गच्छामि इति गमनकार्यमपि अस्ति. So there are two, but one is in tumun. So pathitum iti. So whenever you have the answer for the question kimartham, why, what for, okay, then you have this tumun pratyayah. Okay, so this is also an avyaya pada. Aham patham pathitum vidyalayam gacchami. So when you want to do something, you do. You say this. Then we'll do an abhyasa on this also and then wind up today. Okay, first one. Vayam dash prayatnam kurmaha. Pat dhatu aha. So what will come here as the answer?
पठितुं तुमुन्
तुमुन् पठितुम् इति भवति।
पठितुं प्रयत्नते।
वयं पठितुं प्रयत्नं कुर्मः। उषा भगिनी वदतु, वैद्यः रुग्णं डैश औषधं दत्तवान्।
वैद्यः रुग्णाय।
No, rugnam is given here. Rugnam is given here.
Okay. Parikshate.
Tva pratyaya na?
Here you have to use either tva or lyap or tumun. So what will you use here? Vaidyaha rugnam. Rugnam means
disease.
Patient. A patient. Rugna.
Rugnam.
Pariktva.
Pari is a upasargah.
Oh, is
Pari adhikam iksha. That is parikshate.
Then lyap.
Then lyap. So how will it come?
Tia.
Parikshya. Vaidyah rugnam parikshya aushadam dattavan. So he gives the medicine after examining the patient. Who is that now?
Jalam dash sah punah karyam
karoti. Pa iti.
Pitwa, right? Pitwa.
Why?
After drinking.
What is the meaning here?
Yeah, after drinking the water, he did the work.
He did the work. So he finished one work and then he is doing,
So,
and
pitva.
there is no
Pitva.
upasarga here. Pitva. So there is no
Pitva.
upasarga here. So that is why it will become pitva. Very good.
जलं पीत्वा सः पुनः कार्यं करोति.
अस्तु वा? रामः प्रातः dash देवं नमति उत्तिष्ठति.
I think utti is the what is upasarga? I don't know.
Ut is an upasarga.
Okay.
So how will it be?
Uttisthya.
How will it come?
Yeah, uttisthya, right? Ramah pratah uttisthya devam namati.
This is a special word. How will it come? Anybody? Shamla Bhagini, Usha Bhagini, who can say? Uttisthati, how will it come? Utthaya.
Oh.
Ramaha pratah utthaya devam namati.
Practice only we can know, no?
We
don't know. I don't know.
बालिका dash परीक्षां लिखति स्मरति इति भवति अत्र.
स्मृत्वा.
जी.
स्मृत्वा. Correct. So बालिका स्मृत्वा परीक्षां लिखति. Then सिंहः जलं dash नदीं गच्छति.
पातुं.
What do you say, Usha ji?
Same ji, पीत्वा. जलं पीत्वा नदीं गच्छति.
Why, Bhagini? What is the meaning here?
தண்ணீர் குடித்துவிட்டு செல்கிறது சிங்கம்.
No. To get the water,
correct. Patum only, correct. It is going to the river to drink water. Okay. Simhah jalam patum nadim gacchati. See, here it was jalam pitva sah punah karim. He drank the water and then he did some work. So one karyam was over and then he did the other karyam. Okay, so that is why we use the swa pratyaya in the third question. Whereas here, patum, he is going to the river to drink water. Okay, that's the difference. Meaning, Amba dash pakam karoti.
Swa
pratyaya only. Very good. So how will it come?
I don't know. Snatva maybe.
Snatva. Correct. Amba snatva pakam karoti. Pita karyam dash griham agacchati.
Samapya. Pita karyam samapya. That is why I gave here sam adhikam ap. Sam is a upasargah. So sam ap samapya. Aham artham dash shlokam pathami. The meaning is what? Aham artham Gyatva. Even Gyatum, Janitum, like Gyatum something. Even for the reason also it will happen, and first one also happen. Tva and Tumun both will applicable, I think.
Tumun will not come.
Because to know the sloka, I mean.
Aham artham nyatva shlokam pathami. Okay, I understand the meaning and read. Okay. Aham artham nyatum shlokam pathami. If that be the case, then it means it doesn't make sense.
I'm reading sloka to know the meaning. Yeah, it doesn't make any sense. Correct.
Isn't it? It doesn't make sense.
So छात्रः प्रश्नम् dash उद्युक्तः. छात्रः प्रश्नं
तुमुन्
what will it come?
प्रश्न पृच्छति I know no idea. I'm not able to form it.
Forgot. Ushaji,
No idea, ma'am.
पृच्छतुम्
प्रष्टुम्.
प्रश्नं
छात्रः प्रश्नं प्रष्टुम् उद्युक्तः. Okay, right. So with this we are winding up all the Punasmaranam case, whatever we have done in the Pravesha. From the next class we will do the Parichaya part. We will start with the Parichaya part in the next class. That is on Tuesday. Okay. So
Thank you.
So we'll stop here today. We'll wind up. Okay. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayaः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. हरिः ओम्. धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः भगिनी.